Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by our website. Today we'll be making a pretty glitter charm for a necklace using a bevel, glitter, and dimensional magic made by Mod Podge. So just lay down your charm or your bevel and add a couple drops of dimensional magic. And then you can just add some glitter. You can do it in small layers, like first add a couple drops of dimensional magic and then add different colors of glitter, mix it up with a toothpick. I do it a little bit at a time so that I don't go over the edge because it's really easy to make a big mess really quickly. So I just do a little bit at a time, but you can do it however you want to. So I'll just keep adding a couple drops of the magic and then sprinkle some glitter and mix it up with the toothpick and just keep repeating that until you get it to where you like it. Once you do get it to where you like it, just put it aside and let it dry for about 24 hours. Sometimes once it dries it will shrink a little bit, so you might have to add one more layer of dimensional magic the next day just to make it dome a little bit. You don't have to. You might like it to be a little bit textured, but if you want it smooth, just add another layer if it does shrink up a little bit. And don't worry if the dimensional magic looks a little bit white or milky, it'll clear as it dries. Sorry, I know the video is a little bit long and boring watching the process, but I just started using a new video program and I honestly could not figure out how to do the fast forward on it, so I got to figure that out for you guys so the video goes a little bit quicker. But anyway, this is the process. Just keep adding a couple drops of dimensional magic, mixing in the glitters that you like, and I like the chunky glitter a lot, and this one I mixed fine glitter and chunky. The chunky really gives it a pretty sparkle, but I know everybody has their own opinion, so use whatever you like. And then this is what it looks like once they're dried. I did go ahead and add an extra layer on there of dimensional magic just to make them a little bit domed. There's the pink and gold. My favorite's the teal and gold, I think. It's so sparkly. I hope you like them, and let us know how it goes for you down in the comments. We want to hear if you made them and how they turned out. Thanks for stopping by our channel. Have a great day, everybody.